The Phrozen Sonic Mighty 4K is a powerful mid-size resin 3D printer designed for creators who want large printing capacity, reliable performance, and highly detailed resin prints. Featuring a 9.3-inch 4K monochrome LCD, solid metal construction, and fast curing technology, this printer is especially popular among hobbyists, miniature creators, and professionals printing models, action figures, and prototypes. One of the standout features of the Sonic Mighty 4K is its large 9.3-inch monochrome LCD screen with 4K resolution of 3840 x 2400 pixels. The printer delivers a precise 52 xy resolution, allowing it to create sharp details, smooth surfaces, and clean edges that are ideal for tabletop miniatures, statues, and highly detailed resin models. The printer offers a generous build volume of 200 by 125 at 220 millimeters, which equals approximately 7.9 is 4.9 so 8.7 inches. This larger print area allows users to print bigger models or multiple smaller objects in a single batch, making it highly efficient for production-style workflows and large creative projects. Another major advantage of the Sonic Mighty 4K is its fast printing capability. Thanks to its monochrome LCD technology and Para-LED matrix light engine, the printer can achieve layer curing times as low as 2 seconds per layer and print speeds up to 80 mm. This significantly reduces total print time compared to older RGB LCD resin printers while maintaining excellent detail quality. Phrozen designed the Sonic Mighty 4K with a rigid dual linear rail Z-axis system that improves stability during printing. The strong metal frame and stable vertical movement help reduce wobbling and vibration, resulting in more accurate layers and consistent print quality, especially for taller models. The printer supports a wide range of 405 nm UV resins, including standard, flexible, tough, and castable resins. This flexibility makes it suitable for various applications such as miniature printing, engineering prototypes, jewelry production, dental modeling, and collectible figure creation. A 2.8-inch touchscreen interface provides simple printer controls and an easy-to-use user experience. The printer works with popular slicing software like Chitubox, and files can be transferred through USB connectivity for straightforward operation. Overall, the Phrozen Sonic Mighty 4K is an excellent mid-size resin 3D printer that combines large printing capacity, reliable mechanical stability, fast printing speeds, and detailed 4K output. Its strong build quality and versatile resin compatibility make it a great choice for hobbyists, miniature artists, and professional creators looking for high-quality resin printing performance.